Hello everyone, I am Shelby and welcome to my channel, Shimmer, and today I thought I would show you some of my drawings that I have done for Inktober of 2022. This is part 1 and my prompt is Ghost. So this drawing I have done is one of my least favorite ones that I have done, and it's like a little photo shoot that you would do in a photo booth, and it's a ghost making a bunch of silly faces, which I like the idea of it. I might revisit it later, but I really don't like how it looks. So this next one I did of a lily pad and a ghost, which it was just another idea to throw down, and I don't really like it at first, but then it started to grow on me as I went and progressed through it. But I think I would also like to revisit this idea. So I didn't like it in the beginning stages, and the more detail I put on it, the more like it started to grow on me. So it just went through like an ugly phase. But I think I'm definitely going to redo this one in a watercolor or wash. Now a lot of these I didn't like how they went until I liked the idea of them and they started to grow on me, so I really want to revisit them and go back over them. But this one is a ghost inside of a pumpkin, which I think is really cute because, you know, I cut its face, you know, the face of the pumpkin, and it's its face, so it's super cute, and I thought it was really funny. But I want to redo that also in a painting, so I'm hoping to do those this month, or at least this month, maybe a little after, but like, look how cute it is. Oh, I wish I could have done better on the pumpkin itself, but it's still a work in progress. But it's a learning curve when it comes to art, so you make mistakes, you learn from it, and I ended up adding a vine and some leaves to it, and I think that made it come together better, and I did more lining on it and stuff, and I think it brought it together better, honestly. I would still definitely redo this one also, just because of how cute it is, the idea of it. So the next one I do is a ghost coming out of a witch's hat, which the story behind that is a witch conjured up a creature, and it was a ghost out of her hat. And I thought it was so cute. This is one of my favorite ones, and the last one's one of my favorite ones, which is just a doodle of a ghost eating candy. And have you ever seen a ghost eating candy? I mean, they're adorable. But I really hope you like this video, and I can't wait to see you in my next one, so bye! Also, I wanted to say that Inktober is just for fun, and you don't have to make like great art if, you know, you just want to put it down and have fun. That's what it was made for. Or you can even challenge yourself.